Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Josh here from GetitunboxTV. So finally the wait is over and we got our hands on the Infinix Hot 10. Alright, we're going to unbox it and I'm kind of surprised with the 20,000, the hype this device got, and we are going to witness it. And let's get into it guys and quickly unbox and let's see what we are going to get. Alright guys, so here we have it. If we take a closer look, everything is mentioned 464, okay, 5200 mAh battery, Android 10, then the front selfie camera, alright, then the rear cameras, okay, Helio G70, alright, 4G, everything is mentioned. One thing I like about the gamers, this is the good news, gamers, here you can see, and these are the mentions. Alright, so we are gonna do one thing. We're gonna quickly unbox it, the comparison video. If you want to see guys, please let me know in the comment down below. I will compare this device against Tecno Spark 6. So first thing we will do, we're just gonna peel this off from here. Alright, and let's see what we are going to get with the device. Alright, so we do not have any seal here, simply unboxing. Alright, just peel off the box. Okay, so everything is there. Let's keep it aside, okay, and take a look. SIM ejector tool, first thing you'll notice, okay, silicone case, X Club stickers, and a pre-provided protector. That's it. All right, now let's talk about the power dock. And if I take close, it's 2 ampere and it does support fast charge, although let's see, but I'm not sure about the fast charging ratings. Okay, if you guys know, let me know in the comment down below. All right, micro USB cable. All right, and this is it from the box. And let's quickly peel off the sticker from the top first. Everything is again mentioned here. All right, this is the big side, how it's gonna look. And let me talk about the color here. The color I can show you guys, it says, all right, it's obsidian black. You guys can read it easily. It's the obsidian black color. All right, I'm gonna skip this area, quickly turn it on. Let's see if we have a juice in it or not. All right guys, we are all set. So let's quickly enroll our fingerprint. Okay, to do that I'm gonna first keep a simple pin code. All right, that's it. Oh, pin didn't match. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, we need to clear it. We need to go back. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 5 zeros. All right, so it's time to enroll our fingerprint. In order to do that, let's see how quickly it's gonna recognize my finger. All right, it is also fast. Tecno Spark 6 was fast, but this is also fast. Let's see whether it's gonna ask. Okay, I will do this later. Okay, all right, it didn't ask me for a fingerprint adjustment, which is really a good sign. All right, so we are it. I'm gonna skip this area. Okay, we are in the main menu. This is how the main menu will look like. And I feel kinda, you can say, if you take a closer look, it seems the Android UI. Okay, let's go talk about the phone. All right, we can see 64 gigs of internal storage, 4 gigs of RAM, Helio G70 processor. This is the battery. 720p Android 10 out of the box we are getting. This is the quad camera setup. All right, let's talk about the SIM ejection situation. What we are going to get with this device, and let's see, do we have expandable storage option? Okay, so the first thing again we will notice, we do have a water repellent seal. All right, SD card slot, 2 SIM card slots as well. All right, if you take a look, 3.5 millimeter, you can say headphone jack, my USB port, and the speaker grill. All right, let's quickly check the fingerprint speed. All right, this is it guys, look, it's fast, it's really fast. All right, it is really fast. Okay, so this is the speed. All right, let's check the sound quality. We'll do it through the default apps, you know. Okay, phone 1. Indeed, it is loud. Alright, we have single bottom firing speaker. That's it. And let's quickly check out our camera section. And we need to take first selfie. Alright, let's quickly check our selfie. Guys, I would say we need to compare it with TechnoSpark 6 with this price category. And let's quickly check the main camera. Alright, and we need to check it through this way, and I'm gonna show you guys quickly. Trust me guys, the picture came so sharp. Take a look guys, take a look at the text, take a look at the background, take a look here. Alright, so we do have the volume rockers on the left, on the right, sorry. We do have the power button. Alright, then we have the fingerprint on the rear. This is the overall feeling. Alright, and we have the quad camera setup with quad LED flash setup. Alright, this is it guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you really want to see the comparison speed test, the camera test with TechnoSpark 6, because both are 4 gigs of RAM variant, both have same memory, same storage. Alright, same sort of a quad camera setup. If you want all these 3 videos, please let me know in the comment down below. I'll quickly make these videos, and if you personally like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Peace out guys.